Okay, now let's talk about how to make the application of CHD exam. To make the application of CHD exam, you have to go to Azure website and open an account there. It is quite simple. I don't have to show it to you. I think everyone can do it. Now you have to find out all the information that is available regarding to Azure. You can Google and find out this link. I'll try to put this link at the detail of the YouTube video. Okay, so all the description and information of the CHD exam is given here. CHD advantage of taking the exam, check the eligibility, apply now. So here you can go and apply, testing, get exam ready and recertification. Okay, apply now. Now, if you go to the apply now, apply for CSC exam, application fees is given here. For a member, it is $495 US. And for the developing countries, it is $295 US only. And if you're not a member, it is $745 US for you. So better be a member and apply. It is cheaper that way. Now, if we get into these, okay, let's wait. Right. So this is the application interface. We have it. The very first thing that we face in here, yeah, it is a yes and no choice. Usually you always have to say yes. I give Azure permission to verify the information within as being true and accurate. If you say no, that is not the right answer. You have to say yes. Then please select an exam location. Okay, test center. Select application type. First one is certified HVAC designer DE $295 US. First retake. If you fail, then if you want to retake it is $130 US. And if you want to retake for a second time, it is $295 US. And for recertification, again $295 US. So for now, you're going to select this one, certified HVAC designer DE $295 US. If you have any discount code with you, you can put the discount code here. Okay, contact information. These all informations are being fetched from the information that you have given during opening account at Azure website. You can anytime go and change it if you find it is not the accurate one. Okay, now which form of identification will you be using? Usually I use passport. You can use permanent resident card. Passport is easier, convenient for me. And then you have to give all the information relevant to your photo ID card. For instance, your first name, last name, middle name, all of the stuff. And you have to be always agree. You see, there is no disagree button, so you have to agree. Okay. Are you familiar with ASHRAE standard? And for the certification, even you are not, you have to put yes here. Always say yes. Are you a native English speaker? For me, I'm not a native English speaker, so non-native English speaker. And I have to give my native language, Bangla, for me, as I'm a Bangladeshi. Okay, if you are non-native English speaker, please provide your name, email, and other details so I can put my name and first name, last name, and email ID again here. What did you hear about the certification? Okay, so let's say you have heard it from some colleague, you can put it like this way. Okay, why are you applying for the certification? Anything is correct. So let's say customer requirement maybe. Required by government, local, okay, you can put it in here. This is not actually very important. You can select anything. They're just taking some survey for themselves. It is not important for you. You can select everything is also okay. See? Okay, eligibility. Okay, the option one, if you have a bachelor's degree, you're going to need 2 years of HVAC design work experience. Remember, this is design work experience, not installation experience, not calibration experience, not any other experience they are talking about. They're talking about design work experience. So you have to put the name of your university or college here. Let's say my one is University Technology Malaysia. So I put it like this. Type the degree you have earned. I have earned Bachelor of Engineering. Again, you have to put some reference here. For me, I put my reference of my friend and my colleague, Janur Rahman. Say the other one last time. Oh, this is first time and last time, okay? Rahman. And I ask for his email address, and you can put the email address of your reference here. Option 2 is associated degree or technical degree or certification design if it is applicable for you. In that case, you're going to need 3 years of HVAC design work experience. Again, the same manner, you have to put your reference name. And if you have a high school diploma only, then you're going to need 5 years of design experience. In the same similar fashion, you have to put the name of your school and you have to put the name of your reference. Then you're going to put the credit detail. After this, you can go to the code of ethics, doesn't matter. You have to be agree. And again, agree with the agreement, again, agree. You can read. You can really read, but you have to agree. Then you are going to submit your application. So remember, as you submit your application, your credit card will not be charged because they are going to verify your application. So after making the application, you're going to get this email from Ashray. So they're going to say your application is under review. So they're going to review your application. Let me use the annotation device here. Okay, let me make it lighter. Yeah, it's going to work. So application is under review. They're going to review your application and going to get back to you. Once it is accepted, they're going to charge your credit card. If it is not accepted, they're not going to charge your credit card. Confirmation, they usually take 7 business days. However, in my case, they were at a rush. They took around 3 weeks. It was a winter time, so they say they're really very busy at winter, so they're going to need some time. But usually they take 7 days as per them, as per Asher. Proof of payment. So the payment you can get in the Astro website. You can log into the Astro website in your profile. You can get the payment detail after you have finished your payment. Okay. And Astro is really responsive. If you face any problem, you can email. Like I have emailed them so many times, asking them what is the status, when am I going to get my application being approved or not. So they actually respond. So once it is approved, they are going to send you an email again, Astray certification exam scheduling. So like this one, they have sent me an email, Susan. So they say the email service formal notification of approval. So okay, let me fix it. Okay. Formal approval to sit the CHD exam, and they are going to give me additional 30 minutes as I'm a non-native English speaker, and I can sit for the exam at any criterion center. So now you have to find your nearest criterion center, Google it. You can really, criterion center are everywhere. There are around 1,000 test centers, so you can imagine how many test centers are there. Okay, important notes are here. You may begin scheduling your CHD exam on February 1st. So February 1st, 2024 onward, they ask me, if you want, you can, reschedule it. And they sent me the email, the deadline is May. So February, March, April, May, February, March, April, May. So they gave me a 3 months window to sit for the exam after the application is approved. And then gave me exam browser here. Okay, so all the details are in here. I have to go to the web assessor account. At the web assessor account, I have to log in and apply using this particular coupon. Okay, so now these are all very simple. You can uh, do it by yourself. After this, exam registration confirmation. As I did my exam registration, they sent me email of exam confirmation. So my exam was 30 minutes extra as non-native speaker. Exam duration was 180 minutes, so 3 hours for me. For you, if you are an English speaker, native English speaker, it is going to be 2 hours and 30 minutes less than me. Okay, this is my exam location in here. And what you must bring at the exam. At the exam, you must bring the exam authorization code. You'll get authorization code over email. And you must bring 2 forms of identification. For the identification, it is always good to carry passport and maybe green card or maybe some residency card or driver license is okay. But do not bring your credit card or debit card. That is not going to work. What not to bring. So obviously, you cannot bring a programmable calculator. You don't need to bring any backpack or electronic device. At the exam, it is allowed to use non-programmable normal calculator. And if you want to cancel, you have to give a 72-hour period notice. Okay, so this is what I have got after making the reservation of the exam on web assessor account. And as my exam completed, so on the exam day, I finished my exam, and when the exam is completed, they sent me this email. They sent me this email in very short time, I guess, within like 20 minutes, I got this email. And they are going to say, congratulations, you have passed the exam, like this one I have got for myself. At my time, the exam result is passed. So that is enough for you. For me, I took 163 minutes out of 180 minutes. So I get like 70 minutes, 17 minutes is still extra for me. Okay. So they're going to give the whole description of your score. For me, for the domain one, system design, I scored 36 out of 40, so it is almost 80%. Domain two, I scored 27 out of 30, so I guess more than 80%, 90% maybe. Yeah, it is about 90%. And the domain three, I scored around 7 out of 10, so it is about 70%. And domain three at procedural, I did very bad at coordination. I scored only 15 out of 20, so maybe next time I do it better. There is no next time. I think I passed the exam. So, okay. Now, as you pass the exam, then they're going to also send some more email regarding digital badge and certification. So all the description relevant to digital badge and how you're going to get the digital badge should be in here. You can get it from Kernely. Very simple. You can just follow those steps and do it on your own. Okay. So that would be all about how to apply for CHD exam. It's very easy and simple. So good luck for your exam.